which is that of the tadka. So I think we should be doing that right there, where the tadka is being cooked up by our celebrity chef. Yes, Salil, right? That's right.
But we have just arrived. You're taking us in again.
Yes, we are taking you there again because a job has to be done.
Hi. Can I take a minute?
Sure.
First of all, say hello to Diu. Everyone say hi to Diu. Say, yeah, good afternoon, Diu.
Good afternoon.
He comes after Goa and Daman, and then
yes.
Yeah. And gives me a wonderful opportunity to, for the first time, I think, publicly introduce my beautiful wife. So please say hello to Zenobia. Yeah, say hello to my wife.
Come on, yeah. You clap as well. Come on. So what do you want us to do? Yes, ma'am. In fact, I'm going to ask you to lead Baman to his favorite place, which is the food. Yes, that's right.
She leads me wherever I go.
Wherever you go. We'll walk right here, where our celebrity chef and food consultant is cooking up this tadka. Now, before I talk to Baman, because he loves food, but before I talk to him, ma'am, I'd like you to tell us these annoying odors that one has within the household. Yes, which ones are the most annoying for you?
For me, fish smell.
Fish smell, yes.
Yeah, that's
face the audience, man.
The fish smell is most annoying. But whenever we cook fish or we get our fish clean, after that we spray our kitchen or the foyer with Ambipure.
Ambipure, so it takes away, eliminates completely.
But why do you spray foyer?
Because when the fish wala comes and cleans it there.
Right in front of the door.
Right in front of the door,
yes.
That's right.
Yeah.
So he comes and cleans it, and after he goes, we get it fully sprayed.
Fully sprayed.
That's right.
Ma'am, if you join us right here where Salil is, and Baman, if I could have you as well. Over there.
This side?
Yeah, this side.
Haji, Diu.
Yes. This tadka. Yeah, food you love.
Is it so obvious?
Two of us over
keep
here.
saying you love food, you love it. Last time bol diya.
Two of us who really love food. But lingering smell of tadka. What do you have to say about that?
I like smell of food. I do not like the smell of food while it is being cooked, especially garlic, tadka, and you know, it stays in the shirt, it goes in the hair, and I don't like it.
Yeah, I'm already coughing that. It's a very pungent and annoying odor.
That's annoying. Salil, no insult to you. You are not annoying, the smell is annoying.
Smell is annoying.
So
that's only in the beginning. But as and when the cooks food, it turns more and
you
more.
become a sex symbol, basically. Everyone say hi to Salil, great chef. Please say hello to him. Come on, haath karo yaar. Arey yaar.
Great. Salil, why don't you tell us, in the kitchen that are there most of the time, right. Okay, does this even impact the way you cook? Because the smell can actually get you.
Yeah, of course it does. Because when it's, say, something like chilies and garlic are very pungent. So the moment you put it oil, the extra pungent flavors come out. At times, it has become that you have to just move away from the gas range or wherever you're cooking. And I've seen, at times, people losing track of what they were doing.
Losing track?
Losing track of what they were doing.
Losing track. A chef should not lose track of what he's doing.
It's dangerous to us.
Yeah. So,
but then these pungent flavors does make it happen.
Great. Ma'am, you were telling us you make sure that you spray Ambipure even at the foyer where the fisher folk come and sell.
Yeah.
Yes. But tell us, when this kind of food is being cooked in Indian households, okay, and we have people come over, how can we make sure that we're serving them food and not this, annoying odor?
No, once it's cooked and then you spray Ambipure, it gets eliminated
completely. It gets eliminated completely.
Completely,
yeah?
yes.
It's not like it's masking it for a little while and then back.
No, not at all.
Not at all.
In fact, it makes you feel nicer. It makes you feel happy.
It makes you feel happy. Yes, right. You were saying something, Baman.
No, that's exactly what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It kind of doesn't just mask the smell of the food, but it leaves behind a very fine odor. And as Zenobia says, she told me that I feel very happy. And that's a great thing. We were using Ambipure before I became a brand ambassador of Ambipure. So I was sitting there one day and the call came and said, there's an inquiry if you'd like to be the brand ambassador of Ambipure. So she asked me, so what is this? I said, for a room freshener. So she's saying, if at all you must be the ambassador for Ambipure, we are big users. I said, oh God, it is Ambipure. I mean, it's just...
And that's exactly what I told our friends as well, that you have done your research and testing thanks to your lovely wife.
I've done my research before marrying her.
Before marrying her as well.
In my research.
Great. So, from smelly to smiley, that's where we are headed with Ambipure. Is that right?
That's right.
Yes.
That's right.
But
I've been married 30 years. I don't know how much you're supposed to smile at that point of time. But ठीक है यार. Smile.
You're scaring me. It's been about 8 years for me. But
तेरे को बहुत time है.
बहुत time.
राजा tips दूंगा तेरे को.
Great.
पापा जी बोलो यार इनको आपकी शादी हुई है? शादी हुई? फिर भी हंस रहे यार. सरदार लोग तो बहुत हंसमुख हैं.
वो तो jovial है.
Sorry.
Great. Now that you've spoken about how this really, how it really eliminates the odor, we have someone really special who's flown in all the way from Brussels to be with us, okay, and to tell us how the science of fragrance and the science of eliminating odors really works. Okay, ladies and gentlemen from the R&D team at Ambipure Brussels, please welcome our scientist, Mr. Peter Homes. Here he is.
Chalo yahan. Brussels se aaye. Easy, Peter. That's
welcome, Peter.
Hi, man. How are you doing?
Welcome to...
Can we step here? Or
yeah, we've got to make sure we spray this room in a while.
Okay,
yeah, so we'll just hold on a little longer. I know this smell is a little annoying. You want to come here, but
Salil, you mind if we go there? You won't feel that we are.
I'm okay. I'm comfortable in my kitchen.
That we are
okay.
treating you as an outcast or something, not like that.
So the odor has really gotten to us, and that's what we are here to fight, right? Is that right, Peter?
That's totally right. I think everybody can say whatever they want, but we want to make sure that there's meat behind it, so that we really can show what exactly is it, why do we say this, and how come, what's behind all that. So I think that is my position, that I especially flew in for you guys to come and explain a bit what is the science behind it, and why do we say, and why can we prove
and
that.
before you...
Ab ye Hindi mein bolo.
Why are you making his job more difficult?
No. Peter and I have been friends. We did a whole campaign together. You've been staying back since then? Or you went?
No, I didn't win back, but I mean...
What about that girl you met at the shoot and you said, I'll never go back? He told me, I'll never go back to Brussels now.
I was just saying, the people here are really amazing. The food is
What
really
about
good.
the food? Yeah, I was about to ask you.
It's really, really good. I think, except when people ask me, do you want to have spicy or medium? I'm like, medium, and then the medium is still heavy. And I think also for...
So what
like,
happens when
after,
you have medium? You do this, what actually happens?
Yeah, I think the day after, it's not always
You've seen
good
the
for
movie
my
Piku?
stomach.
You've seen the movie Piku?
No, I didn't.
You will have no such problems if you have spicy food.
Okay, I need to learn on that one.
The next day, Ambipure is definitely required. Let's leave it to that. Yeah.
So tell us, we'll keep interrupting you, Peter.
Great. So Peter, this is the Glass House Challenge which we are here to take, right? What are we going to do to make sure that the proof is in the pudding? Since it's food, the proof is in the pudding. How are we going to make sure that the tadka odor is taken off?
Arey pudding mein kahan tadka aata hai yaar? Get your facts right, man.
Oh my God.
Directly at dessert. So we're going to spray this lovely product.
Okay.
So to really make sure that we remove all of that bad odor, and then we let it work. And in the meantime, I'm going to give some presentation on what exactly is all behind and what do you need to know about this product. What is inside? What is the kind of magic stuff that is inside?
Fantastic. So let's get to that. Okay, let's get on with the Glass House Challenge. This is where we spray the room with Ambipure. Ma'am, I'd like you to join us here.
Go inside.
Yes.
And
Salil,
have you all been
since
inside the tadka room? You all have been?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to give one to you as well, since you've spread all that tadka odor out here. So you definitely have to do this. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to spray this room now, okay, which had this annoying, and India has voted it to be the strongest and most annoying odor in Indian households.
Don't point at my wife when you say that.
No.
Annoying, you keep pointing your hand
Not at all,
there.
sir.
Be careful. Huh?
I'm being very, very careful. So we're going to spray this place with Ambipure to make sure that the odor is completely eliminated after a little while.
Fully
Is that right?
correct.
Yes.
Indeed.
So it's over to you.
Lavender vanilla.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
You can see that he's
Baman's doing a great job of this. Yes.
मैं सीख
Yeah.
गया,
The
सब-
corners. Is this good enough?
This is perfect.
This should work good?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to step out here now. Salil, thank you very much for first making sure this room smelled bad. Okay, now helping us with that. So we'll see you in a little while from now. But we're going to close
you're
these
going?
doors.
I'm going my
Say bye to Salil.
Say bye to
yeah.
Salil.
It's like blind date.
Oh, yeah.
Great. So here we are. We've sprayed that room with
it,
Ambipure to take on India's toughest odor. We'll find out in a while, okay, how the odor is going to be eliminated. But while the science is working inside, we're going to have Peter telling us about the science, how it really works right here. So, Baman, ma'am, I'd request you to take a
want us to
seat.
sit?
You can,
You
it's
can
like yours.
stand, however,
Stand.
whatever's comfortable. They want you to stand.
Always with you guys. I know you have a problem. Come, let's sit.
Great.
Okay.
Yes.
I think the first thing we need to do is do a small experiment, because I think we need to make sure that people believe what we're telling here.
Of course,
We
magic.
just have a small box here,
Well, that does look like magic.
and what I'm going to ask you is to spray inside. So if you have a bottle,
There's no snake or anything inside, no?
so you can spray inside. Okay, perfect.
Great.
And now, I mean, sir, if you can close your eyes,
Close your eyes. Don't
Right.
cheat.
smell. It's pretty good. Okay.
What does it remind you, that smell? What does it remind you of?
I don't.
Does it transport you to a special place?
कैसा लग रहा है तेरा इंटरव्यू ले रहा है कैसा लग रहा है बोल बोल बोल
अच्छा लग रहा है. Great. So he.
what do you say?
अच्छा लग रहा है. Standard Indian answer.
अच्छा लग रहा है क्या? मैं मेरी
After-
बीवी को बोलूँ तो
after
अच्छी
no
लग रही है तो
comments.
एक लाफा खा जाऊंगा
Indian people are very,
बहुत
very
अच्छा
polite.
लग खूबसूरत लग रही है क्या बात है कमाल है ऐसे कुछ बोलो अच्छी लग रही है ऐसे थोड़ी बदलता है
Great. So Peter, we're going to get someone really special for your experiment
A
as
top
well.
client.
As of now,
Yeah.
should we get her on?
Perfect.
Great. So, ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming the very, very talented, the very beautiful Richa Chadda. Here she is. Welcome, Richa.
Hi Richa hi मिलो तो okay the wife is here be careful
Yeah, be careful.
please
Great. So, welcome, Richa. Okay, thank you very much for agreeing to be a part of this Glass House Challenge and this experiment right at the beginning. Okay, so we are going to need you to help us with this. Are you okay with that? Yes.
Are you
We're
Mike?
going to blindfold you.
yeah
We're going to blindfold you. Okay, if that's okay with you.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Baman, maybe you can do us the honor.
come
Yeah, I'll take
on, love yeah actually we should blindfold the wife but never mind oh sorry your ponytail's coming in the way Richa okay don't worry pull it over no pull it over
Okay, that's
okay it's tight
yeah.
एक और गांठ मारता हूँ just hold a ponytail na baby
Great. Richa, while you're being blindfolded, if you could tell us, according to you, what are the most annoying odors in an Indian household?
Any Indian household, I think, you know, the really damp smell, especially in this season, from the walls, from clothes, wet socks, gym clothes, and, you know, like vinegar, fermented, smells like that, smells of pickle, smells from the kitchen.
like
smells
what
when
kitchen
you-
smells
Like meat cooking smells, fish cooking smells, tadka, extreme, you know, the tadka with the red chili that makes you cough, all of those smells.
All of those smells very, very annoying. Okay, so this is what you're going to do.
Sorry.
Yeah,
that's okay
that's okay.
You can hit me.
Yes.
अच्छा
Peter,
It means
Friendly,
that you
yeah.
really cannot see.
Yes.
Perfect.
Peter is going to hold in front of you, okay, something which we really like you to smell. Okay, are you ready? Yes, I'll take the mic for a while. Yeah. So all I want you to do is now smell.
smell
Okay. Are you satisfied with the fragrance?
Yeah.
Yes. Now tell us what did that smell like? I mean, does it remind you of something? Does it bring back any kind of special memories, or what is it?
It reminds me of some kind of spa, you know, with those, they have those bowls with flower petals inside.
क्या बात है
Yeah?
It reminds you of that?
It's a bowl.
It's a
what's
bowl.
in it?
Yeah, it is a bowl. Okay, what's in it? We're going to show our audience first.
wait
Okay, you don't take it. Don't take off your blindfold.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
Peter, you can hold up. Great. Okay. If there was one person, one song, okay, that you would sing when that smell comes to you, what would that song be?
You know that ghazal?
go for it
Go
darling.
for it. Sing.
I have to sing?
Yeah,
also?
of
Sing ना
course.
तुम पास आओ
That. Hava, hava, oh hava, khushboo luta de.
Aha. Okay, so that one. Great. Yeah. Baban, you want to clear the suspense
What's
for her?
in it? Yeah.
One sec. I want to see her face. So
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes.
So this is what you were smelling for the longest time.
and she sang a ghazal.
And you
Hawa,
sang a
Hawa.
ghazal for Hawa Hawa for... Yeah.
Okay.
And that was the magic of Ambipure. Peter, you want to tell us a little more of how that really worked?
Okay, so we're just going to go over a small presentation.
हम क्या करें?
Did you think it would be something like this, Richa?
No.
No?
No clue at all.
No
We're all
clue at all.
romantic and all, no?
She was getting all romantic spa. Yeah.
These are all.
It could be one of those fish spas, though.
No.
No, not at all. No.
Peter,
Great. So we'll hand it over to Peter
Okay.
to tell us how the science of fragrance and eliminating odor
Yeah,
really
yeah,
works.
So, first of all, how I think more or less,
is it in thousands?
it's definitely more than thousands.
Baman, if you need help, we can take help from here also.
Yes.
हाँ, मुझे मालूम नहीं. How many different smells can you identify?
Have a guess.
बोलो. इंटरव्यू देने के टाइम आप बहुत सवाल पूछते
हाँ, sir, बताइए.
Perfect.
1,000?
1,000?
10,000.
10,000. Perfect. Anybody more?
Yes, someone else? 20,000, the lady says over there.
20,000.
Yeah.
Sold.
Sold.
Okay. Reality is that your nose is extremely good. You can have over 1 trillion, what is kind of 9 zeros, a bit higher than my bank account, but 1 trillion different smells. How exactly does that work? You need to think about each odor, good or bad, is a molecule. So, and each molecule, ordinarily aerosol. And we're
Okay.
just going to spray in this cup to take some liquid from that one. This one is a bit more messy.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Great.
perfect. So we're going to put one here. We're going to put the other one there. And what we're going to do is we're just going to take 5 milliliters.
Here?
Yes.
This is the other product.
Yes. So if we add a drop there, we add a drop here. Gonna shake it a bit. So you see that from the other product, the pink color stays there and nothing. So I think
Yeah. That's what they did. One turns pink, the other doesn't.
so, and even if we put them together, the Ambipure removes what the other. You smell perfume plus that fish. If you smell from this one, it fully removes that fish smell.
It does. It does.
Wait,
Peter,
wait.
good you came from Brussels, man.
Okay, just gonna take this one.
This one's nice. So
Yeah.
this
Yeah,
is the
yeah.
one which has been sprayed with Ambipure.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, let's take it around.
So we're just gonna give this a round. So if you smell that
Yeah,
one,
yeah. Works.
does it smell nice?
And just in case you want to know what it originally smelled like. Yeah.
This is very bad. The Turkish government, the
You
tourist
wanna smell
department
this?
will be.
So can you describe
Horrible.
what you smell?
No.
Mike Dinner, you.
Yes.
Mike Dinner, describe what you smell.
What does that smell like?
It smells like a hospital.
Hospital.
Okay. So not really that nice.
Not nice. Yeah, sir.
So we have the same thing here. So maybe you can give this as a reference with that.
So this is with the Ambipure car.
Yes.
Yes.
So the same bad
So the
odor you
same
smell
bad
in there.
odor with,
Too good. Sir, बोलती है अभी. अरे ऐसे मत करो.
yeah.
Sorry.
You who smelled hospital, this would smell much. Yeah.
It's like smoke and like a good and a bad fragrance.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Better than the previous one. Much better than.
But Peter, how was Turkey?
It was very good.
So we
Also-
should tell
also
them that
very
even
nice
though
people.
the smell is from a very bad taxi,
I do have the feeling that I'm also creating quite a lot of smell.
Turkey is a
in,
great place to go.
So what we kind of experienced here is that there's a lot of different technologies that help that odor elimination. Of course, you don't want to just use a product that only removes the bat. You want to replace that with something
Happy.
good. You need a nice, fresh scent. So not something that you kind of overpowered when you enter a room, or you need to kind of spray like that.
Perfumes in the room to cover smells.
Yeah.
But it never worked. Why is that?
No, and that is a lot of people do that. And it's a waste for your great perfume.
A deodorant, it's a waste of perfume, but it doesn't do the
No,
job
it
that
doesn't
Ambipure
have
does.
that oil elimination technology first. And secondly, it's designed to all work on your skin, and it will evaporate with the skin. Or, for example, deodorant, it's the purpose that it stays on that skin. It will remove odors, but it's designed to remove sweat
Of
and
skin.
not fish or not something else. So there's a big difference in how you design these type of products.
Great point.
So if you think about it, a personal perfume is that you smell it in the small ones. So it has that fruity, it has that floral, and it also has that musk. And why is that important is when you spray, you want to
Warm tadka, welcome, man. Thank you.
We are so used to taking it for granted when you give us, great fragrances. We don't know the science that actually goes behind making smells smell great.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you, Peter. Yeah, let's say it one more time.
Great. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we are still taking on the challenge, the Glasshouse Challenge. Okay, in a little while we'll be opening those doors, but not yet. Okay, we get in a few photographs.
Photographs?
Yes.
टच अप करना है किसको? नहीं? ओके डार्लिंग, मैं बीच में आ जाऊं? अच्छा, और अच्छा लग गया ना? बेटा ना? ये क्या? अरे क्या कर रहे हो यार मेरी बीवी के साथ? कौन किया ये? पीछे है ना, साइड पे करना. बस हाँ. Stand in the middle. Where? Like this. Like this. So as to cover me. Then surround it.
Surround it.
So let's surround it.
Yeah.
Thoda, show it some love.
Show
Hi,
it some
darling,
love.
how are you? I'll spend some time with my wife also. And some time with the Ambipure also.
Great. I think I'm sure they're waiting to ask a lot of questions about your association with Ambipure as well.
Wait,
Yeah,
Zinu.
a little more.
Come now, come in front. So come in front, Zinu. आया ठीक ठीक आया पीछे कर दे थोड़ा इज दैट अलाउड कोई कंपनी सू नहीं करेगा ना मेरे को Okay, we'll do it in order. We'll start over there for you, okay? Go. Now center. We're coming, we're coming. Now here. You're following us in a way? And here. Now. Ek minute, darling, ek minute. Turn this way. Special. Okay? Center now.
Great. I think that's good.
Superb.
Yeah? I'm sure just like they wanted to take pictures, they have a few questions.
How much you are comfortable with the perfumes?
With the perfume?
हाँ जी.
मतलब body perfumes?
हाँ कोई भी flavor, fragrance वगैरह वगैरह.
I think it's become part and parcel of our lives. We live in a very humid city. There's a lot of sweating that happens, and everybody likes to have his own or her individual odor. It's a fragrance rather than using the word odor. I am very comfortable with it. In the house also, I have become very particular now. The house, when guests come in, it should smell good. Because if you walk into a very well-done house with the most expensive indoor decor, and it doesn't smell good, it's like serving a biryani with some sand on it. Biryani kamal ki sand dal diya, wo taste mein maza nahi aayega. Similarly, when you enter a house, you need to feel good. It also sets up better conversation, let me tell you. And in a house that smells nice, I won't use the word romantic here, we are in a public place, but it definitely sets up better conversation. I know it for a fact. You feel good, you speak happier things.
एंड आज आपको लगाया है कि नहीं आपने लोबो आपके कोट के ऊपर?
मैं हाँ जी,
कुछ मोनोग्राम होना चाहिए एमबी प्योर का आपके ऊपर.
I didn't hear that.
Monogram, logo he meant.
We were expecting on your coat also.
It's on my coat?
Yeah, we were expecting that.
You know what?
Like Richa ji is.
Yeah, I had one. वो jacket किधर है मोहन? That jacket got dirty and I changed it. This is the one I used in the ad film. But I have a monogram jacket. लेकिन पीछे पूरा monogram ही है. हम लोग ने सब blue पहन के आए. Sorry यार.
रिचा जी एक क्वेश्चन आपसे.
रिचा जी.
Can you share कुछ incidents of the perfume खुशबू के बारे में कुछ अपनी जिंदगी का कोई?
Some incident about some odor. बराबर ना?
किसी भी चीज का.
हेलो, किस तरह का इंसिडेंट?
कुछ खुशबू से ताल्लुक रखता हो.
खुशबू बहुत ज़रूरी होती है, वन ऑफ द 5 सेंसेस होती है. तो मेरे लिए खुशबू मतलब जैसे खाने की खुशबू से घर की याद आती है. यू नो योर मदर्स कुकिंग, दैट इज एन एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी.
गुड लक्ष्मी, थैंक यू.
Bhavan, hello, check.
Yep.
Hello, check.
Superb, you are Richa, you are too good.
हेलो बमन सर.
Yes, sir.
जब भी किसी प्रोडक्ट को आप इंडोर्स करते हैं तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बढ़ जाती हैं.
जी.
अभी आपने पास में कंट्रोवर्सीज देखी थी बच्चन साहब के साथ, तो इस प्रोडक्ट को लेकर जब आपके पास ऑफर आया तो आपने क्या क्या चीजें अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस के आधार पे आपने इसको साइन किया?
देखो, हमने अभी एक बहुत ही साइंटिफिक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन देखा, जैसे कि लग रहा है कि केमिस्ट्री लैब में हुआ है, बट देयर विल बी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, दे कैन एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग टू यू, बट वी डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंस. बट reputed companies and a product that you use will always be something that I am happy to endorse. कोई problem नहीं. अगर मैं मेरे घर में use करता हूँ, I'm more than, and I was using this product about 6 months before the brand ambassadorship came to me. Otherwise, you will doubt every single thing that we do in this world, including you, including the food we eat, including this coat that we wear. There'll be something inside it. There is no end to it. We're living in a modern world, a very manufactured world. We cannot go on doubting everything for the rest of our lives. Products are available in the market as long as the FDA has approved it. I'm okay with it as long as ethically it is right for me. I will not endorse products that are harmful. You know what I'm saying.
कौन सा ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जिसे आप कभी भी इंडोर्स नहीं करना चाहेंगे?
I just mentioned I will not endorse any
specific product.
Tobacco product, definitely out of the question. No question about it.
बोबन जी, आप ये 6 महीनों से प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर रहे हैं, तो इसकी इफेक्टिवनेस के बारे में आप कुछ कह सकते हैं कि कितनी देर ये फ्रेगरेंस रहती है बिफोर के वो उसकी फिर से आ जाती है, और कैसा लगता है आपको ये? आप जब घर में आते हैं तो आपको पता चलता है कि आज एमी प्योर की फ्रेगरेंस आ रही है?
वेरी नाइस. सी, पहले तो हम बम्बे में रहते हैं, बहुत सारे स्मेल्स बाहर से भी आते हैं. हमारे दरवाजे पे फिश पर्सन, वेजिटेबल वेंडर, सब लोग दरवाजे पे आके इन गुड ओल्ड पारसी होम्स स्टाइल में दरवाजे पे हम लोग खरीदते हैं. We come out from very sweaty situations, shooting के वक्त, we come out with smelly clothes, sweaty stuff, we put it in a tub or we leave it on the floor in the bathroom. Those smells are, we have 2 lovely doggies in the house. जितना भी हमें उसे प्यार करें, जितने हम लोग बोले हमारी प्रिंसेसेस है, लेकिन वहाँ से भी ओडर आती है, बदबू आती है. हमारे किचन माशाल्लाह, हमारे घर में we have guests all the time, whether they are coming to stay or whether they are coming to eat. So our kitchen is a 24-hour kitchen with very, very good food. And good food, while you're preparing good food, will always have strong smells. With tadka, as they say, fish, as we say, spices, they smell. Now, I used to, in my den, कभी मेरी den बंद रहती है हमेशा. तो मैं जब शूटिंग से आता हूँ 10-12 दिन के बाद तो खोलता हूँ तो थोड़ा एक मस्ती स्मेल आता है. Because it's not been opened, I keep my den shut. I used to use पहले deodorant, फिर deodorant का कुछ मजा नहीं आया, वाला deodorant शायद. I used to use expensive perfumes. It's not meant for the air. It's not meant to freshen the fragrance of the house. It's meant for the body. Then Zenobia, you brought Ambipure. Zenobia brought Ambipure, and I started using it. I started feeling great about it. 6 महीने के बाद when the thing came to me, मैं वही den में बैठा था, Zenobia वहाँ bean bag पे बैठी थी. And I said, some inquiry for air freshener. Say, what, Ambipure? Arey, yaar, wonderful, we'll get free Ambipure. I mean, just it's a joke. But usse zyada mil raha hai, I have to be honest. But that's the truth of the matter. That is the truth of the matter. नहीं तो मैं इतनी बात नहीं कर सकता. Normally मैं बोलूँगा कि बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कोई अगर जूते का it feels good in the feet. उससे ज़्यादा मैं क्या बोल सकता हूँ? But about Ambipure I can say a lot because I am a daily regular user in the bathroom for whatever reason, around the dogs, in my den, and Zenobia is in the kitchen. मैं kitchen में जाके नहीं करता हूँ. मेरा काम नहीं वहाँ पे. कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Thank you. Nice question. Thank you.
Zenobia madam, hi.
Tell her your name also, ना?
आपका नाम बताओ.
आपका नाम भी बोलो ना.
अरुण कुमार.
Hi अरुण.
Hi. इतने एनर्जेटिक हस्बैंड है ये आपके और इतने काफी रोमांटिक हैं. तो आप इतना काफी शाय क्यों रहती हैं? काफी चुप हैं. कुछ हम चाहते हैं कुछ बोले आप इसके बारे में.
आप पूछेंगे तो बोलेंगे.
जी कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस आज का यहाँ का?
बहुत अच्छा. ये मेरा फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस है. थोड़ा नर्वस भी हूँ बट ठीक है बिकॉज आई हैव बीन यूजिंग द प्रोडक्ट सो मैं बोल सकती हूँ इसके बारे में. Otherwise, I am basically a shy person, but I am also not that shy today.
I think that's lovely.
ज़रूर भी Ambipure और कुत्ते के बारे में बात कर सकती है.
आप अगर मेरे डॉगी के बारे में भी पूछेंगे तो मैं ये खत्म ही नहीं होगा.
और मेरे बारे में?
नहीं ये
मैं ही खत्म हो जाऊंगा मेरे बारे में बोले.
बमन खाना बनाते हैं ये किचन में आपकी हेल्प करते हैं आपकी?
सॉरी
खाना बनाने में हेल्प करते हैं आपकी?
खाना नहीं बनाते. वो बॉईल भी नहीं कर सकते पानी.
Baban, lots of secrets being revealed today.
अच्छा इतने ही secret बाहर जाए इतना अच्छा है उससे ज़्यादा नहीं.
But that is not his department. वैसे मैं acting नहीं कर सकती वो खाना नहीं बना सकते.
मेरा क्या department है घर में फिर? बोल ना मैं घर में करता क्या हूँ?
क्या करते हैं ये घर में? हाँ.
PlayStation.
बस अभी चुप हाँ.
Thank you.
We'll take one final question. अगर किसी को
She did well today.
Yeah, we'll do the one-on-ones in a while. Okay, there's time for that.
Not bad.
We're done with the questions. Fantastic. I think the three of you have been absolutely wonderful. Okay, we've thanks to you, we now know that Ambipure can definitely take on the challenge and the battle against India's toughest odor. But we still have to prove that.
We still have to prove that.
Yes.
Two things. First of all, thank you, Richa, for coming. Everyone, let's hear for my most talented actress. Richa, real darling, we need to work together, okay? And of course, for the first time facing the press, it's not a very easy thing to do. But Zenobia, you did great today. Please, let's hear it for my wife.
Yeah, we need to give her a big round of applause, of course.
इतनी तालियां तो मुझे भी कभी नहीं मिली life में.
Now you've got real competition.
A real competition.
Yes.
Sure.
Great. Now, we told you we are here to battle India's toughest odor, that of Tadka, which has been, through our survey, proved to be the most annoying odor that people have voted in Indian households. We'll be opening those doors, which has been sprayed with Ambipure just a little while ago. Okay, you all experienced that annoying odor when you went into register over there. Now it's time to see the transformation because Ambipure truly eliminates the odor. Okay,
right.
So on the count of three, we're going to...
It doesn't cover, it eliminates.
It doesn't cover.
And leaves behind the fragrance.
So that's what we're going to do.
Are they coming in with us?
First we step in and then we'll get them to join us. Okay,
okay.
So 3, 2, 1, and let's go.
Come. We are here. Superb.
Yes, it cooked here, yes. Richa, what you don't know, you know about the fish. But what you don't know is there was a very, very strong odor of tadka. Yeah?
Foul. We couldn't stand in here.
We couldn't
Foul
stand
smell.
here. When we stepped in, we had to walk out. Okay, it was that bad. This has been the transformation after just a little while.
हमारे बोलने से कोई फर्क
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So why don't you choose a few who can come in, join us over here?
Few of you, come on, ladies, come on, gents. Papa ji, aap bhi aiye, please come. Please come, ladies, come.
Yeah, Richa.
Photographers will not leave their cameras.
What is this fragrance reminding you of?
Vanilla.
Come.
Vanilla. Yeah, that's
come.
great. And could you have made out that we cooked here a little while ago?
No, not at all. Not in the
आप
least.
गए थे अंदर.
The least. Yeah. Zenobia ma'am, you must be very happy. सर, आप यहाँ पर आइए. आप हमें बताइए, आप यहाँ पर आके आपने रजिस्टर किया था. Okay, तब कैसा था?
खुशबू आ रही थी अलग अलग चीजों की, कुछ अच्छी या बुरी, ऐसा है. अभी बड़ा अच्छा लगा.
अभी बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. तो कुछ ही देर में आपने पता कर लिया कि Ambipure बिल्कुल बदबू को मिटा देता है.
बिल्कुल मिटा देता है, बिल्कुल मिटा.
Yes. यस आप आइए, आपका
ये कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता।
ओके मैडम, आज यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है, आप ज़्यादा करके दिखाई दे
आपने
आज आप यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है, आप हमें ज़्यादा करके इवेंट पर दिखाई देंगे। आज आप यहाँ पर कैसा आज का एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत अच्छा रहा। मैं ज़्यादा करके नहीं जाती हूँ कोई भी इवेंट पे, लेकिन अभी मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला, मैंने बोला करो, एंड आई हैव यूज्ड द प्रोडक्ट, मैंने किया एंड एब्सोल्युटली पेनलेस।
Breast takes it so well. You said they are painless. बहुत अच्छी बात है।
आपको लगता है कि ये जो ब्रांड है इससे कुछ प्रॉब्लम कम होने वाली है?
Sorry for what?
The brand will it reduce the smell of socks?
See, अगर मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस आप पूछेंगे तो डेफिनेटली इट रिड्यूसेस ऑल काइंड्स ऑफ स्मेल, एंड वो लिंगरिंग स्मेल रहता भी है, you know, it eliminates the smell. So from my personal experience I'm saying yes. I don't know about anything else, but I have used it for quite some time. In fact I've been using this right now. अभी मेरे घर में 2 महीने का डॉगी है, so you know how doggy वो लोग सब गंदा करते हैं।
गंदा मतलब क्या करते हैं?
So they do गंदा।
बोलो ना, शर्माने के बच्चा गंदा
सुसु पॉटी they do, so I clean it up और मैं सब उसमें Ambipure, full house is full smelling of Ambipure.
मोहम्मद सर आज बहुत रिलैक्स लग रहे हैं आप।
मेरा वर्कलोड हाफ हो गया ना। मैं नॉर्मली रिलैक्स ही रहता हूँ ना। आई फाइंड इट टेंशन, लेकिन किस बात के लिए टेंशन? I don't find it. We are here. We are with friends. We meet each other so many times, and I'm with one of the most beautiful women in the world. Why should I not be relaxed? What do you say?
दिलवाले की बात करेंगे। दिलवाले भी आप शूटिंग कर रहे हैं, क्या एक्सपीरियंस है? रोहित शेट्टी के साथ काम करना कितना इस तरह का अच्छा लगा?
रोहित शेट्टी की फिल्म्स देखी, बहुत एंजॉय की। यू कैन नेवर, जैसे कहते हैं ना अंग्रेजी में, द प्रूफ ऑफ द पुडिंग इज इन द ईटिंग। तो मैं जब सेट पे गया तो मैंने एक बहुत ही अच्छा सेट देखा जहाँ पे हर एक इंडिविजुअल, कैमरा डिपार्टमेंट हो, असिस्टेंट्स हो, ड्रेस दादा हो, कोई भी, एवरीबडी हैप्पी, गाना गा रहे, काम कर रहे, मेहनत कर रहे और लॉन्ग आवर्स काम करते हैं। और मैं सोचता हूँ कि इतने लॉन्ग आवर्स काम करने के बाद ये लोग फिर भी गुड मूड में है, उसका मतलब अच्छा ही है। दैट मीन्स दे आर वेरी हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटेड टू वर्क। वो सेट पे इतना हम लोग एंजॉय करते हैं। उसके ऊपर वरुण, कृति और मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली मेरे बहुत ही चाहिए मेरे दोस्त जॉनी लीवर। आई फाइंड इट, जैसे कि योगा करो, मतलब हर दिल का योगा हो जाता है जॉनी लीवर के साथ। फिल्म कंप्लीट ही नहीं होगी ना एक्शन के बिना। एक तो गाड़ी तो उड़ाऊंगा मैं 110% हवे में, लेकिन रोहित शेट्टी इज सच अ जेंटल पर्सन एंड सो मच फन कि एक्शन तो करना ही पड़ेगा। मैं तो अगर नहीं भी होगा तो मैं इंसिस्ट करूंगा कि आपने, आपका नाम क्या? रितेश बोला, रितेश ने कहा है कि एक्शन करना चाहिए। बताओ, एक्शन कर लेंगे रोहित शेट्टी के लिए। एक्शन होगा ही होगा बॉस।
जब आप लोगों से सुनती हैं कि बमन ने बहुत ही अच्छी एक्टिंग की, फिल्म उनकी बहुत ही हिट जा रही है, लाइक हमने देखा हैप्पी न्यू ईयर बहुत ही सुपर डुपर हिट थी, तो इस तरह से जब रिएक्शन आते हैं आपके पास, क्या कुछ फीलिंग होती है?
बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन कोई बुराई भी करते हैं तो बहुत बुरा लगता है। मुझे नहीं पसंद है, नहीं अच्छा लगता है। कोई इनके विग के बारे में दिखता है तो भी बुरा लगता है।
मेरे विग के बारे में?
सपोज इनके विग पहना है,
मैंने विग नहीं पहना।
नहीं आज नहीं, आज नहीं।
सच है।
मैम मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, बमन सर ने बहुत स्ट्रगल करके बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम पीरियड में अपना करियर शुरू किया। ये एक इकलौते हैं, तो आपने उस समय इनको कैसे साथ दिया कि जाइए आप एक्टिंग करिए, मैं आपके साथ हूँ?
उनसे पूछिए, हर एक बहुत, उन्होंने बहुत करियर चेंजेस किए, सब में सपोर्ट किया। सो आई सपोज दैट ही विल आंसर बेटर। मैंने कैसे
सपोर्ट
नहीं, मुझे
वो सीख गए ना प्रेस को कैसे संभालना। ही विल आंसर बेटर।
नहीं,
सीख गए, यू हैव बिकम एक्सपर्ट विद अस।
मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मालूम था। कैसे मालूम होगा? व्हेन आई मेट हिम, वो वेफर शॉप पे थे, वेफर शॉप के ओनर थे। मुझे कुछ भी नहीं मालूम था, खाली इतना मालूम था कि पार्टीज में जाते थे और परफॉर्म करते थे तो कि पार्टी में अच्छा माहौल बन जाता था। पर कभी भी फिल्म्स का कुछ भी नो आइडिया, एब्सोल्युटली नो आइडिया।
अभी भी नो आइडिया? अभी भी नो क्या फिल्म स्टार क्या होता है?
इसी सवाल में ऐड करना चाहूँगा कि इतनी सारी फिल्में, फिटनेस का राज क्या है आपका?
देखिए, थोड़ा बहुत फिटनेस करता हूँ मैं, खाने पे थोड़ा ध्यान देता हूँ, बहुत खाने का शौकीन हूँ। ये बहुत ही कमाल का खाना पकाती है, प्यार से पकाती है तो और खाने का दिल होता है। लेकिन आई थिंक मेंटल हैप्पीनेस में फिटनेस जो है वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। लोग अपना बॉडी बनाते हैं, बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, वॉक पे जाते हैं, मैं करता हूँ, अपने लेवल से करता हूँ, लेकिन अगर हम स्ट्रेस लेते हैं ना, स्ट्रेस टू मी इज द बिगेस्ट किलर, द बिगेस्ट किलर। यू रिमेन हैप्पी, कंटेंट, ऑटोमेटिकली आपके 5-7 साल बढ़ जाते हैं। अगर आप जितने भी फिट हो लेकिन टेंशन में अगर आपको कोई चीज खाती जाती है हमारे अंदर को, वो सबसे बड़ा किलर है। We know so many very fit, very health conscious people, 50-52 में कुछ टक, heart attack done, over. It's so sad because they should be mentally agile and mentally happy. You have to be agile all the time. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है काम पे जाने में। मैं उठ के कभी भी ऐसे सोचता नहीं कि सुबह उठ कर अरे यार छूट पे जाना है, कभी भी नहीं। Be excited to go to work. अगर आपको यहाँ पे आना है तो ऐसे नहीं सोचना ये कैमरा उठा के, you will be excited to go to work. I mean not excited to see me, but excited to go to work. But I feel fitness का राज वो है, eat in control, exercise, keep your muscles moving, but at the same time do not let your mind get clouded with negative things and stress.
मोहन सर, एक सवाल है आपसे कि आपने बहुत से दौर भी देखे हैं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के, खुद पिक्चर्स भी देखते थे 1970s 80s, तो उसके बाद ये जो दौर आया 2015 में विशाल भारद्वाज जैसे लोग आते हैं, अनुराग कश्यप जैसे लोग, ट्रेंड बदला है बॉलीवुड का ट्रेडिशनल फिल्म मेकर से, वो कितना महत्वपूर्ण है?
देखिए, आई थिंक फ्रॉम द 40s या 30s 40s से लेके हर 15 साल में कुछ चेंजेस होते ही जा रहे हैं, हर 15 साल। इट्स ऑल्सो गॉट टू डू विद आवर टाइम्स, सोशली बाहर क्या चल रहा है वो हिसाब से हमारी फिल्में भी बनती है। 70s में एंग्री यंग मैन की फिल्म थी, लोग दे वर एंग्री अबाउट थिंग्स, दे हैड टू एक्सप्रेस इट समवेयर द अदर। 80s में आई थिंक 80s वाज नॉट अ ग्रेट टाइम, फ्रॉम द टाइम 85 टू मे बी 2000, नॉट अ ग्रेट टाइम। इट वाज जस्ट I didn't enjoy those films too much. बहुत थोड़े फिल्म थे जो मुझे अच्छे लगते थे। Since the last few years there has been a change. और अब 2015 has been a great year. Vishal Bhardwaj, even starting from Queen, from Queen. Then you look at the Piku. Piku is one of my favorite films in the last 10 years. मैं इतनी तारीफ करता हूँ पीकू की, जहाँ पे भी जाता हूँ मुझे लगता है कोई एक फिल्म जिसमें ऐसे नहीं कि ड्रामेटिक कहानी में ट्विस्ट्स एंड टर्न्स आए, एक स्लाइस ऑफ लाइफ की इतनी खूबसूरत तरीके से फिल्म बनाई है इन लोगों ने। मैं तो सलाम करता हूँ पीकू के मेकर्स को। आई जस्ट लव द फिल्म और वी हैविंग ग्रेट टाइम्स और अच्छा सुधरने वाला और ग्रेटर टाइम्स।
बहुत सारी है वैसे, लगे रहो, खोसला का घोंसला, फिर आई लाइक माई वाइफ्स मर्डर। मुझे एकलव्य में बहुत पसंद थे, एकलव्य, आई लव दैट मूवी। बहुत सारी है।
उनसे पसंद नहीं थी, मैं उनके लिए काम करता था।
चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
आज की दोपहर के बारे में मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि बॉम्बे में काफ़ी तरह की बदबू बहुत फेमस है, मछली की, कभी कभी गंदे पानी की, और पोल्यूशन, हर तरह की स्मेल्स बॉम्बे में हमें सूंघने को मिलती हैं। तो कभी कभी उन्हें हटाने के लिए रूम फ्रेशनर ज़रूरी हो जाता है, खास करके गाड़ी या उसके अंदर। ये मैं प्रोडक्ट गाड़ी में यूज़ करती हूँ काफ़ी, और अब घर में भी करूँगी। आज मैंने देखा कितना इफेक्टिव है। मैं आई कुडंट टेल एट ऑल कि उस कटोरी में मछली थी मुझे नहीं पता चला था। कैबरे में एक लड़की की कहानी है, पर बहुत सारे एक्टर्स हैं फिल्म में। गुलशन देवैया ऑपोजिट हैं, गुलशन ग्रोवर भी हैं, दो नए एक्टर ज्योति राणा और रजत कौल, और काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग कहानी है और अलग अलग शहरों में होती है, और आई होप सबको पसंद आए। बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। ओह थैंक यू सो मच। नहीं अच्छा है, लुक भी बहुत अच्छा है, लुक डिज़ाइन करने में पूजा भट्ट बहुत माहिर है, एंड आई थिंक इट्स आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू वर्क विद हर। ब्यूटी में मैं बिल्कुल घरेलू नाइट क्रीम वगैरह यूज़ करती हूँ और दिन में खाली सनस्क्रीन लगाती हूँ। और फिटनेस में आई ईट, मैं अच्छे से खाती हूँ और ज़्यादा तला और मीठा नहीं खाती और बस बाकी वर्कआउट करती हूँ। थैंक यू।